Well, hey guys, welcome back to Bartlow's Barbecue, and I'm here with my daughter, Faith.
If you're wondering how old I am, I'm 7.
She's awesome. She is a little chef, and then this is Bartlow's Barbecue in our backyard. We love to make barbecue for our family, don't we?
Yeah,
and in our neighborhoods.
Yeah, I love the meat.
It's so much fun. Well, today, that's right, we're bringing to you bacon-wrapped, smoked pork chops.
And you'll just need bacon.
That's right, pork chops. You also need your favorite brine, because part of the process is we're gonna brine the pork chops. Pork chops really saturate the meat really well. If you do that, even if you have only 30 minutes, it's totally worth brining your pork chops.
And you can use your favorite seasoning. We're using
What is this?
Bartlow's Barbecue.
That's right. It's just simply salt and pepper. Actually, it's 16 mesh pepper and some kosher salt. One of my favorite recipes, honestly, really simple, classic, something that I learned from Aaron Franklin's master class, totally cool barbecue class if you haven't taken that. So we're gonna show you what this process looks like to bacon wrap. After we do the brining process, throw it on the Kamado Joe. We're gonna do it on indirect heat and let it smoke for an hour to hour and a half as my beautiful dancer is getting excited for our cooking today. So let's check it out.
Hi. Hi, so what you'll need to wrap the bacon is some gloves, and then you'll want to take the bacon and wrap it like this. We have 2 others over here. Just wrap that around, right?
That's right, you want to get the back side
too.
wrapped around really nice. If you have toothpicks, you can use a toothpick to wrap the pork chop tightly around the pork chop just like this. So whenever you put it on the grill, you take it off, it's secure. So we put toothpicks in there, and then we're gonna put it on the Kamado Joe. All right, friends, we're now gonna put the bacon wrapped Kamado, bacon wrapped pork chops on the indirect. So we've got a nice smoky flavor. I went ahead and put some apple wood chips on there. We're gonna let it smoke for the duration around 250 to 275. We're looking again more for internal temp than we are a specific time frame. So we're gonna check back every 30 minutes, looking at that hour to hour 20 mark, and then it should be at the internal temperature we want, ready to slice this and eat it and enjoy it. Well, thanks for tuning in and watching us make bacon wrapped pork chops. If you really like this video, like it, subscribe, share it with your friends. Hey, this is a really quick and easy way to make pork chops on your charcoal grill or your Kamado Joe or whatever you might use. You literally just need to put that pork chop in a nice brine, let it sit for 30 minutes to 2 hours, whatever your preference might be. Dry it. You might want to put additional rub if you want. Then you can wrap it in bacon. You can obviously do pork chops without bacon. That's what they're mainly known for. But I wanted to experiment and do something new, and I love bacon. So wrap it. You can put it on indirect heat on the Kamado Joe and let it cook to temperature, not necessarily time. So for this, took about actually 45 minutes. It was a little quicker than I thought. And I brought it up to 145 to 150. and got that bacon nice and tender and right in between that crispiness. So tasted it, had my my girls taste it, and they approved, tasted delish. And so now we are gonna enjoy that for lunch. Hope you have a wonderful day, and tune in as we do these weekly to bi-weekly barbecue videos from my backyard to yours. Have a good day.